What is the biggest problem facing the next generation, and what should we do to solve it today? That's a big question.
The greatest mission that we have is to prevent a militant Islamic regime from meeting up with nuclear weapons, or from nuclear weapons meeting up with a militant Islamic regime. The first is called Iran, the second is called Pakistan.
Pakistan already has nuclear weapons. Pakistan already has deployed nuclear weapons. Pakistan's weapons can already hit Israel and the Mediterranean.
Why are we not winning in Afghanistan?
One word, Pakistan.
اور مشرق اور مغرب کے کفر کی راہ میں اگر اللہ نے کوئی آخری چٹان قائم کی ہے تو یہ اللہ کے حکم سے یہ پاکستان کی ریاست ہے آج.
Everything